close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello, this is Mr. Torm. This project is a face recognition program using Visual Studio 2017 and Emgu CV. When I set KakaoTalk program to automatically log in and lock, we often feel inconvenienced to type my password every time I shut down and turn on my computer. So I developed face recognition program unlocking KakaoTalk by referring to an example from YouTube. First of all, this program is programmed to save and retrieve a face image information, but perhaps for the reason in installation, it doesn't bring up a face image file. So, unlike my intention, every time I start this program, I have to save some face image files. However, I decided to make this video because I thought this project would be a good reference for people who want to create or develop face recognition or security programs. Then let's start from program sequence. Program sequence. The sequence of this program is shown in the picture above. First, this program recognizes a face with the camera on, then displays the name that matches the face. Then determine if the name is included in the privileged name list text file to determine if this person has permission to unlock KakaoTalk program. Second, check if KakaoTalk is in the computer process. While the KakaoTalk program is running, KakaoTalk is shown in the task manager. Because if it's not the case, we shouldn't enter the password, so we have to check this out. If the above two conditions are true, launch the KakaoTalk window and enter the password and enter key through the send keys function. This will unlock KakaoTalk and switch it to a login state. Now let's talk about Emgu CV, the main library of this face recognition algorithm. I wanted to implement face recognition using the OpenCV library, but I found it difficult in the C# development environment because it was a library based on C++. As a result, I used the wrapper, Emgu CV, which turns the OpenCV library into C#. This library creates a square around the iron mouth if it thinks the image that came into the camera is a human face. Save face, display name, check permission. After entering a name in the program and press the save button, the face image is saved to the specified path in bitmap file, and save the name and order in a text file named faces. After you save your face image and name and restart the program, it call up face images in order before program loaded, and display name when your face came into camera. The program examines whether this name is contained in the name list file describe name who have KakaoTalk login right, and examines whether the face image came into camera have the permission. This part was prepared by referring to a video on YouTube by Rizk Mouawad. Find KakaoTalk in the process. This part examines whether KakaoTalk is running.
The process of KakaoTalk is found through process.getProcessesByName function. This part was prepared by referring to posts on T-Story blogs, sharing programming information and Sa용hagi. Login KakaoTalk, which is launched after checking whether face image through camera has permission to log in and KakaoTalk is running. The login process is simple. First, set KakaoTalk program to foreground window. Second, entering KakaoTalk password. Last, enter. Setting the foreground window was done through the SetForegroundWindow function of the window handler, and entering password and enter key was done through the send keys function. The password for KakaoTalk was entered into the text file in advance so that the program would enter it in the text box when it started. And of course, it can be modified in the program. After this process, KakaoTalk login will process successfully. Now let's review it by looking at the code.
I've been
So far, I've introduced my project Face Recognition on Cooking KakaoTalk PC. Because it is a program to enter password through face recognition, I think it can be used in various programs as well as KakaoTalk. Reference materials are in the description of this video. I hope you have been helpful, and thanks for watching this video.